title of this short is Fear with a question mark. And why I did that in the quotations is for you. I want you to ask yourself one question. What is it that you fear in your life or throughout your life? Write it down if you have to. And if you don't, and if you're good with mental notes, think about everything that you're fearful of. Slowly start to conquer each one of those fears. It is not until you conquer your fears that you will be able to move forward throughout your life and let the promised life that's meant for you enter. Because through fear, it brings so much attachment to it and baggage and stuff to just basically wear you down so that you cannot be in a happy state. You never will be. Because fear brings everything upon you that is nothing to uplift you, but more so bring you down in all aspects of your life. It is not until, if I use myself for example, that I just basically stared fear down, looked in that mirror, saw everything I didn't like, and slowly as I started to look in that mirror and change certain aspects of myself, I started to see that old version dissipate. One by one by one. And to the point that I looked in the mirror one day and said, now you're starting to look like who I want to be. When I looked in the mirror, I didn't have fear no more. For I saw someone that I loved and I appreciated. And I knew that they could accomplish a lot more than what they thought they could. Mentally, physically, emotionally, for themselves first. I don't know how many times I could say this. If you're not right, you're not going to be able to help others. And if you do, and mask all of your problems and fears and doubts and anxiety, it's great that you can do that and put up that mask. But what happens when that mask falls and your whole world mentally crumbles within that mind? So remember this. Truly ask, what are you fearful in life? And attack it head on. First fear might be you actually acknowledging the things that you are fearful of. I know you could do it. So what are you waiting for?